Hi friends, I'm Jana Eubank. Welcome back to my channel for another process video. Today I am again working with the November 2024 Hip Kits from Hip Kit Club, and this is the Mistletoe Memories collection. Now I had purchased this add-on die. This is the postage stamp background die and stencil set, and I hadn't yet used it yet. This was something I was really excited to use. So sometimes I start a layout out that way by picking out a product that I want to use. For this page that I'm working on today, I only had a single photo, so I thought this would be the perfect opportunity to use this die as sort of a layer to build up behind my photo. So I did fussy cut some florals from the Floral Fantasy paper to adhere behind the left edge of my photo, and now I'm just using the stencil to add a bit of color to this postage stamp background die using a blending brush and some tumbled glass distress ink. So I like the hint of blue, and I think that's the perfect color to set off those florals and get started on this page. I also picked out a couple of die cuts. I have the Christmas tree die cut and that cute little house die cut that I'm going to add to the right side. And I've gone ahead and adhered this to my page where I think I want it to go, and now I'm going to work on my title. Now in the main kit there are these cardstock stickers, and they have this adorable red font in them, and I thought this would be the perfect font to use with the other alphabet stickers that are included in the kit, which are these glitter foam alphas. You actually get two different colors. You get a green glitter and a blue glitter, so I love that. I love when kits include alphabet stickers. I mean, a lot of manufacturers are making like pre-made titles these days that make it really easy, but sometimes you want to have your letter stickers to create your own clever title. So for this layout, my daughter and I had gone to see the White Christmas play at our local theater, and she got some free tickets, and so we just went and spent a night and kind of kicked off Christmas at the beginning of December, and we had such a fun time. So we snapped a quick selfie, and I thought this would be a fun title. With of course, the signature song from White Christmas, which is I'm Dreaming of a White Christmas. So now that I have my title in place, I'm going to start playing with some other elements from the kit and decide how I want to continue on with this design. Now, along with the cardstock stickers, there was a sheet of these little border stickers, which I think are so cute. I thought they would be the perfect grounding element for this house and this tree. So I went ahead and put the red plaid scallop sticker across the bottom. Now, also in the cardstock sticker set was this little sleigh, and I thought that would be cute to put next to the house, almost like it's pulled up with all the presents ready for a Christmas party. Now, because of the position of the sleigh, I decided to use the full scallop sticker and have it run underneath the postage stamp background, and then that little sleigh will just kind of hide where I piece those two things together. I love that sticker so much that I do come back and add in some more of those border stickers and almost use those as a design element, stretching my page or adding a base to my other elements above and below the photo, and I'll come back to that in a minute. Now, of course, you have a photo or a layout about a white Christmas, you got to add in some snowflakes, right? So I went ahead and went to the die cuts and found these two Scandinavian looking snowflakes, and I'm deciding where I want to put those. I want them to kind of stretch above the photos, but they felt like they were floating, so this is when I decided to bring in more of those border stickers and start layering them up and provide like a little grounding spot for those snowflakes to land. I do go back to the kit and pull out a bunch of other snowflakes to sprinkle around the page, and you'll see that I bring in the chipboard circles that have snowflakes in them, and then eventually I will also go to the Puffy stickers and bring in some snowflakes from there. And I'm going to fuss with those quite a bit, clear until the end of this page, just trying to balance out where to put those snowflakes. So you're going to see me kind of, bounce back and forth between other elements as I'm thinking about where I want all these snowflakes to go. I did grab a little berry sprig that I tucked under that chipboard circle, that poinsettia circle, just to add a little bit of a floral element over there. Eventually I will come and add another little berry sprig to the beginning of the letter D in the word dreaming of the title, just to repeat that element in two different places. Now this is where I'm pulling in the Puffy stickers, and I'm just kind of trying them around on at different positions all over the page, and I really do mess with these a lot. So you'll see what I finally landed on in my closing shots at the very end, but you know, you can kind of see that my process of kind of moving them around. So trying to get a balance of both color and shape as I work with these. Now I did also grab a Poinsettia cardstock sticker and added that to the right of the tree, and I think that worked well. This is where I decide to bring in more of those border stickers and stretch it down below the photo, which I really like. It actually provides a spot for my snowflakes to stretch down below the page, and then I eventually also add like a label die cut with the date below there. Now I did want a place to put my journaling, so I pulled in this journaling stamp from the Pocket Life kit, and I really like this stamp because you can actually continue to stamp it and make your journal spot as long as you need to. So I just covered up my die cut tree and my little poinsettia sticker and with Post-it notes, and I was able to make that a little longer and make it fill that spot over there on the right. Here I'm coming back with some more border stickers above the photo this time, and I'm going to just kind of offset them a little bit. I cut this one at an angle to do something a little different, and then here's where I was thinking I would bring in a third one above the photo. I tried on that red scallop one, but I felt like the red was pulling away from the title that is also red. I also try one of the vellum phrases here, but again, that red color is just, you know, pulling away the focus from the title. So I decided to go with a green phrase from the Pocket Life kit. I tried this one on first. It was a little too long, and so I switched that out eventually. Now I was thinking I might add in these star enamel stickers because I love them and I still haven't used them on a layout yet, so I keep trying them out, but because I already have like a scattering of the snowflakes, I decided to leave them off. Here I'm back playing with those snowflakes again. I'm trying to decide if I want a chipboard snowflake at the top. I do end up taking off that circle one and adding it below the house at the bottom along with the label with the date, and you'll see that in the closing shots. But this is my layout. I hope you enjoyed watching this process video. Again, these are the November 2024 hip kits from Hip Kit Club. We'll see you again soon.